clipper. Series positive clipper. So what is the meaning of a series and parallel? These are all things we already discussed. It's totally related to my diode. How I'm going to connect it, my diode. So between the inputs and output. If I'm going to connect it in series between the input and output, then it is called series clippers. If I connect it parallelly, you can see here it is. If I'm going to previous parallel clippers, what we are going to discuss here it is we are going to connect it parallelly these circuits. But here we are looking for we are going to connect it in series, then between the input and output. That's all. And second thing it is here also it will come two things. One it is a positive clipper, another negative clipper. Also it will come to bias clipper. At least today we are going to discuss about just positive clipper means how it is working, negative clipper means how it is working. The analyzation very important. Just see the direction of the diode. See usually what is the difference? That thing you should know that. Otherwise all the circuits will confuse to you. So when come to series positive clipper means in the parallel, parallel instead of series clipper, if I take a parallel positive clipper means how to take the circuit first. We are going to take on the resistance here, and first I'm going to write the anode. Next I'm going to write the cathode. But here first when come to input first we are going to take the cathode. Later we are going to write the anode. Exactly opposite series and parallel. That thing you should keep in your mind. Exactly opposite circuit what we are going to take in here. That is first I need to connect the cathode, next it is anode, it is there. This is called series clipper, series positive clipper, and later looking for my load resistance. And this is a circuit so of a series positive clipper. So what I'm going to take on my input signal, if you want to just write down this input, first I'm going to write the one cathode here. After the cathode I'm going to take on one resistor. So resistor value I'm going to take and output I'm going to take. So and here it is telling it's a positive clipper means you have this is my input signal. Easily you can see that in this input signal I want to remove the positive part of my input signal. This part I want to remove. So automatically this part it is removed, only negative part only it is coming here. You can see that in the output signal I'm getting only negative part, positive part easily we are going to remove. So how it is working? The operation was very important. So let's move on to that operation. So this is a circuit diagram what I am getting, and here we can apply the two things. See same how you analyze when come to parallel clipper or shunt clipper. Same logics only we are going to apply it of a different conditions, and I'm going to analyze this. Okay. So first this is my circuit. I'm going to take on my input signal. Here my input signal means what? This is the input signal, this is Vi I am going to take on. You have a two part, one it is a positive, another one it is negative when come to one complete cycle. So when come to analyzation, I want to analyze for what will happen for the during the positive half cycle of my input signal, and what is happen during the negative half cycle of my input signal. So for that, so when come to operation, just case one I'm going to take on during the positive half cycle of input signal I'm going to considering. This is my case one. So in the case one, positive cycle of input signal, and you already know the operation. Again I'm explaining. If I take any one of the diode, this is my diode. If anode voltage, this terminal it is called anode, this is called cathode. Whatever the voltages you taken, this potential, anode potential it is greater than cathode, means anode it is greater than cathode, plus and this is minus. If anode potential is greater than cathode, then circuit it is forward bias, then here it is act as a short circuit. And anode voltage means anode voltage it is less than to cathode, means cathode voltage it is more. So here it is, sorry, anode voltage it is more compared to cathode, then it is a forward bias. Else, then it is a reverse bias. Means anode voltage it is less compared to my cathode means it is reverse bias means it acts as a open circuit. This thing you should know that if anode voltage it is more, then short circuit. Anode voltage it is less, then it is a open circuit. Now, if you understand this concept, then you analyze this circuit and tell me during the positive half cycle of my input signal, how this diode is asking, forward biased or reverse bias? Definitely it is reverse bias, right? Case 1 I'm going to take on during the positive half cycle of my input signal, because I'm going to apply positive here. Positive means, see it's very simple. If you take my diode, if you give positive to here anode and cathode to it is negative, then only diode is forward bias. but this is not happen here. It is during the positive half cycle, plus is there, then it is act as a reverse bias. Then reverse bias means this is act as an open circuit. So then diode, it is a reverse bias. If reverse bias means it is act as a open circuit. If it is open circuit means equivalent circuit, easily I can write here. So I'll take one equivalent circuit. This is open circuit, and I'll take my load resistance RL. Here only I'll take my output, and this is my VI. Plus minus, this is plus minus, this is V0. So here it is, V0 is nothing but voltage drop across RL. I'm going to take on V0 now, and because of this open circuit there is no current here. It is complete, my current is equal to 0. If current value is equal to 0, when current does not, it will flow here. Then what is the output voltage we are getting? If there is no current in this loop, then what is the output voltage? You know the Ohm's law? V is equal to I into R. I value if it is 0, then what is the output voltage? 0 volts only, right? Because it's an open circuit, it is not conducting anything. Because of open circuit, there is no current across my load resistance. If this current it is 0, V is equal to I into R. So I'll get definitely my high value is 0 means 0 into anything will get 0. Then I'll get the voltage, it is 0 volts. You can see here, I'll get the during the positive half cycle diode, it is reverse bias, then I'm getting the 0 volts. But remember, you totally it will confuse when come to a parallel clipper. Previously what I'm explaining, during the positive half cycle, that time diode it is forward biased, then we are getting the output voltage is equal to some 0 volts. Same condition, but here it is reverse bias. Direction, the diode direction also, it is totally it's different. That thing you should know that. Yeah, during the positive half cycle this happen. Now you analyze for negative half cycle what will happen. Just tell me what will happen for the negative half cycle. Case 2, if you want you can write the case 2. In the case 2, during the negative half cycle of my input signal, diode it is forward biased or reverse biased? Yes, forward biased. If forward biased means it is act as a short circuit. And if it's short circuit means write the equivalent circuit. How to write? So I'll take this point. So these two are shorted. The diode is shorted. I'll take my output voltage across load resistance. It is RL, and I'm going to take an plus minus of it is VI. So plus minus of it is V0. Now you can see exactly my VI is equal to V0 only, right? See, if you take the KVL also, what you'll get? Just apply the KVL inside that. How to apply the KVL? Kirchhoff voltage law. So remember, it is minus to plus, increasing the potential. Then you need to consider plus of VI. Next, if you come in this loop, so when come to here, it is plus to minus, decreasing the potential. There is no other resistance or anything here. Then directly plus to minus it is coming. So the potential it is decreasing. That's why I'll take it is minus. The voltage drop here it is I'll take a V0 is equal to 0. You can apply in this way. Otherwise, normally you can directly you can write. Now plus Vi and minus V0. So directly I can write as my output voltage is equal to my input voltage. My output voltage is equal to input voltage. So easily you can see that during negative half cycle only diode is forward biased, and negative half cycle maximum voltage it is minus Vm, then output voltage is equal to minus Vm. If you want, you can consider that. Otherwise, it is general expression. Remember, during the positive half cycle, diode it is reverse bias, act as an open circuit, and I'll get 0 volts. And when come to a negative half cycle, diode it is reverse bias, sorry, it is a forward biased, then I'll get V0 is equal to Vi. Clear about this one? Yeah, so that's what I'm telling. During the positive half cycle, that is plus Vm, when Vi is greater than 0, diode it is reverse bias this portion. So I'll take the 0 volts, and then diode reverse bias act as open circuit and I'll get 0 volts. And when come to during negative half cycle, that is minus Vm, Vi it is less than V0, diode it is forward biased, V0 is equal to Vi, and V0 is equal to minus Vm. That's all. And if you want to write the transfer characteristics, you can write the transfer character. How to write this thing already explained that. Just analyze. You just learn how to write. So transfer characteristics is nothing but it is the relation between the input voltage and the output voltage. Always we are going to take on the input voltage at the x-axis and output voltage along the y-axis. Now you can see that this is a input voltage. So during the this is a plus Vi, this is a negative values. So what is the maximum positive value I can give? You can see that maximum positive value I can give plus Vmax. So here this is a point what I'm getting, it is plus Vm. Let's take a plus Vmax or plus Vm. And negative maximum value how much I'm getting here, it is this position will get actually. So it is minus Vm. Input voltage plus max and minus max we are getting. So now when come to output, you can see that input it is positive, then output value here it is getting 0. So up to getting 0 volts, the value it is 0 only. Next, during the negative half cycle, it is completely followed. If 1 volts it is increases my input voltage, see output also 1 volt it is increasing, and the negative direction means if input voltage it is minus 5 volts, so let's move on to here. Output voltage also it is minus 5 volts. So then you can see that it's also negative direction, and this is also negative. If 1 volts it is changes, and here also 1 volt it changes, this point it will come. Next it is a 2 volts, here also 2 volts it will come. Similarly, if you come to maximum of minus Vm, input voltage it is minus Vm, then output voltage also it is minus Vm it is coming. So that's why just I'm going to take on a slope here. This is a slope. So here it is coming at the diode it is on, and this is diode it is off. So actually if you come to on a lab session, we'll show that one. Will automatically, if you take the two pulses, two signals, and if you press on XY shift, easily we'll see the transfer characteristics of this type of waveforms. But in multisim it is not possible. We'll see that when come to lab, we'll easily we can construct and we can see this waveform. Yeah, this is a way of writing. Just remember how to write the transfer characteristics of positive clipper. Not only this clipper, any way, remember along the x-axis we have taken input, along the y-axis we have taken the output voltage. Is it clear about this positive clipper? Anybody having doubts? You can see in the circuit diagram, the series negative clipper, same direction. See the previously I'm going to connect it cathode and anode. Now I'll just reverse the diode and I'm going to take an it is. This is plus and this is minus. So this is the diode direction I'm going to change it. Now negative clipper means, so now easily you can write the theory part. Directly you can tell what will happen. So you just tell me directly. So during the positive half cycle, diode it is forward biased or reverse biased. Just see diode during the positive half cycle of my input signal. This is a positive value. This positive value if you apply it here, it is input terminal, then automatically diode is forward biased. If diode it is forward biased, then how to write the theory part? It's very simple. It is act as a short circuit. If it is short circuit means what is the output voltage equation? V naught is equal to. That's all. Directly you can write exactly opposite of this one what I explained for theory concept. This, but it will happen in the positive half cycle of input signal. Next, during the negative half cycle of input signal, what will happen? Diode. Negative. If you apply negative voltage here for the anode, reverse bias means it is act as an open circuit. If it is open circuit means there is no current flowing to here. If there is no current flowing to here means definitely my output voltage is equal to RL into high. So we'll get the 0 volt. So output voltage is equal to inputs. That's what it's coming. Carefully you see that during the positive half cycle diode it is forward bias. Then I'm getting my waveform. And during negative half cycle diode it is reverse bias. Then I'll get my output voltage it is 0 volts. You can see that I'm getting the voltage it is 0. That's all. That's what I'm telling here. It is again you can see during the positive half cycle of my input signal, input voltage it is greater than 0, diode it is forward biased, V naught is equal to Vi. That is output during happen during the plus Vm condition. That's why V naught is equal to plus Vm also you can write. Next, during the negative half cycle of my input signal, V8 is less than 0, diode it is reverse biased and act as an open circuit, thus output voltage V naught is equal to 0. Okay, so it will not come this. So output voltage is equal to 0. And transfer character how to write? Simple. previously happening at the negative part. Now maximum positive voltage it is plus Vm, and minimum voltage it is minus Vm, and output also maximum voltage it is plus Vm and minimum voltage it is minus Vm, but negative half cycle completely I'm getting the value it is 0, no negative signal here. That's why I'm going to stop here only. So during the negative half cycle of input signal, I'm getting the voltage it is 0 only. Whatever the voltages you'll give, output will be 0 up to minus Vm condition. If you apply, I'll get the 0 volts only. So when come to positive condition, if 1 volt it will be changes, output also it will 1 volt will be changes continuously. Plus Vm means plus Vm, plus Vm means plus Vm. So that's why we're going to write the slope here. This is the way of writing the transfer characteristics. Okay, same thing, just if you write the equivalent circuit, if they're asking about series positive or negative clipper. Next, if I have some voltages, then how to analyze? It's very simple. See that. Next question, series positive clipper with bias. Bias means I'm going to consider some voltages here, and for explanation purpose here I'm going to take on everything it is an ideal diodes only. Silicon diode I'm not going to considering. Now, so here it is VB is there. Then how it is working and how to write? Carefully observe that same explanation. So same thing, but conditions it will be changed. How? So during the positive half cycle of my input signal, diode as usual it is reverse bias, right? If it is reverse bias means what happen? So definitely while comparing previously we are going to compare with 0 volts because there is no voltage here, but you are going to compare with now biasing voltage, that's all. See that previously the waveform you can see that I'm going to compare with the 0. Now I'm going to compare with VB. How to write the statement? If my input voltage it is greater than VB means this portion. If input voltage it is greater than VB because you have some potential. So if it is greater than VB, then diode it is forward biased or reverse biased? Again I'm asking, VI it is greater than VB. Diode it is forward biased or reverse biased? Definitely is reverse bias only. So what will happen in during the positive obstacle, same thing will happen. But condition instead of 0, you'll get the VB, that's all. So reverse bias means it is open circuit. If it is open circuit means what is the output voltage? That is very important. So I'm telling here it is same. You take the condition it is case 1. I'll take case 1. So during the positive half cycle of my input signal, and that condition I can't take, so I'll take this is Vi and potential I'll take Vb. So suppose my input voltage it is greater than Vb, then what will happen? Diode it is forward biased. Sorry, diode it will be reverse bias. If reverse bias means it is a open circuit. Why? Because this voltage it is high, cathode voltage it is high compared to anode. Always my anode voltage should be high. This is not to happen here. Then it is a reverse bias. Reverse bias means equivalent circuit. I'll get it is an open circuit, and I'll get my load resistance RL, and you have a potential also plus minus. So then there is no current here. If I value it is 0, plus minus, this is plus minus of V naught. Then what is the output voltage we are getting? That is very important thing. I value it is 0. I value it is 0 means this current it is coming to here, not coming to here. Then what is the output voltage value? Yes, that is very important because you have some potential here, right? You can't put 0 here. This voltage drop across this resistor is 0 because I naught into RL will get 0. But I'll get some voltage here it is, that is VB. So that's why I'm going to write the voltage here it is VB. Okay. Now second condition. So I'll take VI, it is less than VB. This is the condition, is negative part. So I'm now compare with the VB, this portion. Means input voltage it is less compared to this. Means anode voltage it is high compared to cathode voltage. Diode is forward bias. If it is forward bias means it acts as a short circuit. So VI it is case 2, you can take case 2. So VI it is less than VB. Diode it is reverse bias. Sorry, forward bias. Diode it is forward bias means it has act as a short circuit. Then you write the load resistance value RL. and I'll get the voltage, it is plus minus. You can take, this is the voltage, it is VB, then this is my output voltage and this is my input voltage. So now if you want to apply KVL and you can write it out. So what it indicates of V naught means this potential. So there is no resistance between this point to this point, and this point to this point means what indicate the voltage, complete voltage drop across this terminal, it is nothing but V naught. So that's definitely you can write V naught is equal to Vi. Directly I can write. So previously how we are getting, if you apply KVL also, minus 2 plus increasing potential, plus 2 minus decreasing potential, V naught minus of V naught, Vi minus of V naught will get, directly you can write V naught is equal to Vi. So V naught is equal to Vi. So that's why the shape of the input and output waveform, it will be, both will be same when the condition it is Vi, it is less than Vb. You can see that the shape of this one completely it should be same as my input signal. So that's what I'm trying to explain here it is. So this is about the with the biasing conditions. So here during the Vi it is greater than Vb, diode it is reverse bias and act as an open circuit, and V naught is equal to Vb. So because, so this is open means output voltage is equal to, this voltage drop is equal to 0. Sum of these two means 0 plus Vb means Vb only I am getting. Now second, during the negative half cycle, V8 is less than Vb, diode is forward biased, act as a short circuit, then I'll get V0 is equal to Vi. So then how to write the transfer characteristics? That is very important here. So it's totally depend upon my reference voltage, or it is taken as a Vb. This is Vb voltage. See, positive cycle also you'll getting some voltage Vb. Up to getting Vb, here it is, diode it will be half condition only. Once it is reaches to less than Vb, so compared to, this is my input signal, if this portion diode it will be changed, input value it will be changed, means input and output both will be same, this portion. That's why I'm going to write the slope, this is my slope. And what is the maximum voltages you'll get? So maximum it is minus Vm, and output also it is minus Vm, and this portion it is plus Vm. And if it is greater than, if it is greater than some voltages means greater than Vb, I'm going to compare with Vb means output will be maintain the Vb voltage only. So that's why you have a some potential here, it is, that is Vb. So during the up to plus Vm condition, up to plus Vm condition, we have some voltage, it is plus high voltage only, that is Vb. So this is about the series positive clipper with the bias. Is it clear about this one?